Hello everyone, welcome to a brand new video. In today's video, I'm gonna be telling you how can you light an LED and also a buzzer on the same Arduino at the same time. The steps are quite simple if you go on with me. Firstly, I would like to thank Origami with Vikrant to subscribe to my channel and everyone else who has subscribed me till now. So we are gonna start with the video. Don't forget to like and share this video. So first we are gonna write INT, which stands for integer, space LED. I'm gonna name the LED as LED only. You can name it anything you want. Then I'm gonna put equals to. Then I'm gonna give it a pin number. So I prefer 13. It depends on your choice. I've written 13. You can see. And then I put a semicolon. Okay, the first INT is over. But in this case, we have to write two INTs, which is the new thing for you. So we have to write INT space another buzzer also. So I'm going to name it as BUZZER space equals to space. I'm going to give it a pin number 12 and semicolon. Thus now it is done. Now I'm going to go to void setup and I'm going to mention both of these. Pin in small, capital M small ODE, pin mode, bracket open. I'm going to write LED, the first INT or the first output device which I am using, comma, space, output. Output should be in capital. Then the next line will also be similar to this. In it we'll write PIN MODE, pin mode, bracket open, BUZZ, comma, output. So BUZZ, as we had mentioned above, it is the same thing. So then now we are gonna go on the while loop. So if you want both of them to just turn on, you can simply write DIGITAL, digital, capital W, then RITE, digital, right, bracket open, LED, comma, high. High means we are turning it on and providing it electricity. Then I'm again gonna write digital, right, bracket open, BUZZ, comma, high. So in this case, both LED and buzzer would work. Now if we want that first LED works and then buzzer, then you can do as I say. So over here I'm gonna write, first I'm gonna write delay, bracket open, 1000, bracket close, semicolon, enter, digital, right, bracket open, LED, comma, low. So 1000 stands for 1 second. Then again we are gonna write delay, bracket open, 1000, semicolon. After this step we had already written digital, right, buzz, high. So then the buzzer will turn on after 1 second. Then we are gonna write delay, bracket open, 1000, semicolon, enter, digital, right, bracket open, BUZZ buzz, comma, low, bracket close, semicolon. And again the last step would be delay, bracket open, 1000, bracket close, semicolon. And that's all. So in this, first LED will turn on, wait for one, and it will be on for 1 second, then turn off. After 1 second the buzzer will turn on, be on for 1 second and then turn off. And after 1 second again, because of the void loop, it will go to digital, right, LED, high, and the LED will turn on. So this will go on repeating and repeating. So now if you want some other changes also, like first both of them turn on, then both of them turn off, then you can either do one more thing, that you have to remove this line And I guess you should also remove this line. So and then after this you keep this delay, you keep this buzz low also, then no delay, this delay should again be removed, and after it you do this. So because of this, LED will turn on, LED and buzzer both will turn on together, and then they'll again turn off. We again have to at the last write delay, delay, bracket open 1000, bracket close, semicolon. So the final output, if we remove all this, should be looking something like, I guess, this. And if it's not, so if it's looking like this, that means you're doing it correct. And then you can just upload it. First I'm gonna verify it. Hey guys, so now you can see it is correct. And now finally I'm gonna upload it on the board and see its output. Hey, so this is the output. You can see over here there's an LED and buzzer. As I had mentioned in the code, the white one goes directly to the pin number 12 of the buzzer. The red one goes to the ground. The LED's longer pin is connected on 13 and the shorter on ground. And now this was the third output, and all the outputs would be according to the coding which you have done. So this is how it shall work. If it's not, please comment down below. I'll help you out forward.